Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to duplicate a document on the Dropbox application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to your home page or to your files and select the document that you want to duplicate. All you have to do is tapping on the three dots icon next to it. Scroll down till you find this duplicate option. Tap on it. And here, if you want to, you can change the name of the file, delete it, and tap on the button done. Here you should select the place where you want to add your duplicated item. You can also choose a different folder, tap on it, click on save down below in the right side corner and tap on save at the top. Now your file is duplicated. Here you can find this, and if you tap on the files you will be able to find it in the folder as well to which you have added it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.